This is a festive twist on the classic gin-based Tom Collins cocktail, with a deliciously Christmassy chocolate orange flavour replacing the traditional lemon. Here's what you'll need. Jaffa Cake gin, smooth orange juice, sugar syrup, sparkling water, rosemary, an orange washed to remove any wax, and some ice. Pull your peeler around your orange to cut a long strip of peel, avoiding cutting into the white pith. Trim the edges, coil it up around your finger, then set it aside. Half fill your cocktail shaker with ice. Pour in a double measure of Jaffa Cake gin for a chocolate orange hit. Add a single measure of orange juice, then 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup. Secure the lid and shake for around 10 seconds to chill and combine your ingredients. Pop some fresh ice cubes into a tall glass. Place your cocktail strainer over the mouth of the shaker and carefully pour your gin mix into the glass. To finish your Christmas Collins, top up the glass with sparkling water and give it a stir. Add the garnishes and you're ready to serve. Spicy and warming with a tropical twist, this non-alcoholic punch is a real crowd pleaser. To give this delicious mocktail its tasty depth, we're using Caleño Dark and Spicy, an alcohol-free alternative to rum. We're making 10 servings. To fill your own punch bowl, scale up the single-serving recipe listed beneath this video. Here's what you'll need. Caleño Dark and Spicy non-alcoholic spirit, ginger cordial, pineapple juice, agave syrup, freshly squeezed lime juice, ice cubes, 2 limes sliced into rounds, 1 orange sliced into rounds, star anise. To start, half fill your punch bowl with ice cubes. Slowly pour your alcohol-free spirit over the ice. Use a double measure for each serving. Follow the spirit with pineapple juice, freshly squeezed lime juice, ginger cordial, and agave syrup. Then give it a good stir. If needed, top up with a little extra ice. Place lime and orange rounds on top of the punch. Add a few star anise. Rich and smooth, this Christmassy take on the Espresso Martini is the perfect winter warmer for after-dinner drinks. Here's what you'll need. An orange segment, golden caster sugar, cinnamon, vodka, a slightly cooled festive blend espresso shot, Kahlua, sugar syrup, spice drops in mulling spices flavour, and some ice. On a plate, mix together 3 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Take an orange segment and make a small cut into the centre, then run the orange around the rim. Dip the glass into the cinnamon sugar and swirl. Set aside to dry. Half fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Pour in a double measure of vodka, a shot of espresso, and a single measure of Kahlua. Follow with 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup. Secure the lid and shake for 10 seconds, or until the outside of the cocktail shaker feels really cold. Add 2 spice drops to the prepared glasses. Then strain your cocktail over the top. Garnish with a light dusting of cinnamon.